Does earning minimum wage really worth it being a college or a high school student? Isn't the point of education is to be smart and use your knowledge at your daily jobs? So why should you make the minimum wage when you can make 3 to 5 times more than that? The solution to this is to do a part-time tutoring job which won't require an advanced degree, and it will increase your knowledge, your communication skill, and at the same time earn you more than the minimum wage. Now, let's say you have decided to teach and you're hunting, but where to find the clients? How will the clients find you? How will they know that you are available? If you are new at this business and you are registering left and right at the tutoring websites, then did you ever think, why would the clients hire you and not the tutors who has more views and higher ratings? The key to get hired is to stand out, but the question is how? Well, in this video, I'd like to give you a walkthrough which will make you stand out in the pool of professionals. First is a fresh-looking profile picture. Your clients wants to see the face of the person they're going to hire. A fresh, lively-looking picture gives them the incentive to go to your profile and look into your details. Next is your bio. Make sure you have a concise introduction in 2 to 3 lines which gives your client a summarized idea of what they will get if they hire you. Mention words such as administer, implement, evaluate, or analyze. Give it some thought and research about it, because your client will keep on scrolling the hundreds of profiles and your profile needs to have a kick which will draw them. Before I go to my second point, I would like to mention that you are sending a quotation or a message to your client using websites. So, mention that you are offering an hour free session so that they can evaluate your skills and methods of connectivity. Everyone likes the word free, and that is one of the best ways to compete against the professionals. Second is the service details. Clearly state where your expertise lie and which subject are you interested to teach and which student can work with you. For example, elementary school, high school, or college students. If you have a professional license or a background check transcript, add it to your profile. It will give your profile a tremendous boost. Mention your educational background and your related experience on tutoring. Add a profile badge if you have any. Also, add offers such as discounts. Point 3 is your availability. Mention that you are flexible with your time because that gives you an edge over the professionals who has fixed and specific availability. Next is about payment. Now, this is a tricky part. If you are someone who just started tutoring, then I would suggest start with 15 to 25 an hour for elementary and 30 per hour for high school and college students. Also, mention that you are willing to give discounts if they are willing to do more than an hour class or multiple classes per week. If you have previous clients, tell them to give you some reviews on your profile. Also, one last thing is that if you get a client, put your 100% effort and dazzle them, and then request a review by the next class. That way, if there are any problem later down the road, you will not have a negative review. These are some key points I have for you, and I have also mentioned some of the good tutoring websites in the description below, which I personally use. If you like my videos, press the like button, and if you loved it, subscribe to my channel as I will bring you more videos on how to ace a tutoring business.